Hello.
Hi,
What's your name?
my name is Nhật Quang.
How old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
How are you today?
I'm happy.
Ready?
Yes.
Are you hungry?
No.
Are you thirsty?
No.
What is the name of your school?
It's Kawakwat Primary School.
What class are you in?
I'm in class 2A6.
How many people are there in your family?
4 people.
4 people? My?
My dad, my mom, my sister, and me.
How old is your sister?
Is 2 years old.
What color do you like?
I like green.
Green?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay now. Look at the picture in green. Unit 8.
Unit 8 in the village. Village van volleyball. Can you draw a van? Yes, I can. No, I can't.
What letter is this?
V.
What is the sound letter V?
V.
B. What letter is this?
Y.
What is the sound letter Y?
Yeah. Unit 9 in the grocery store. Yogurt, yams, yo-yos.
How many yo-yos are there?
3 yo-yos.
Do you like yogurt?
Yes. What do you want? I want some yams.
What letter is this?
Z.
What is the sound letter yes?
Z.
Unit.
Unit 10 at the zoo. Zoo. Zebra. Zebra. Do you like the zoo? Yes, I do. No, I don't.
What letter is this?
I.
What is the sound letter I?
E. Unit 11 in the playground. Playground. Sliding. Riding. Driving.
No, they're sliding.
There's sliding. There's riding. There's driving.
Yeah, good job. What letter is this?
A.
What is the sound letter A?
A.
A.
A. Unit 12 at the cafe. Grapes. Cakes. Table. The cake is on the table. The grapes are on the table.
Okay. Unit 12. Unit 13.
Unit 13 is the math class.
Again, math class.
Math class. 11, 13, 14, 15,
13. 14. 15.
15.
What number is this?
What number is it? Is 11.
What number is this?
Is 15.
What color is the number 15?
Is green.
It's green. What color is the number 11?
Is red.
Yeah, it's red. Next.
Unit 14 at home. Grandmother, brother, sister. How old is your brother? He is 19.
How old is your grandmother? 60 or 60? 60 or 60?
60.
60. Good job. Next.
Unit 15. Shirt, shoes, shorts. Where are the shoes? Over there.
Okay, now look at it. Letter S and letter X mấy sao? Mấy sao? Now drop out. Shirts.
Shirts.
How many shirts are there?
2.
How many pairs of shoes are there? 2.
2.
Okay. How many pair of shorts are there?
2.
2. Okay. Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.